Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask a series of elements, and then our program will sort it using Insertion Sort algorithm in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so basically guys, I'm using dev C++ in running this program. So we have here sharp include stereo.h for input output, and then we have here a function that I wrote, insertion sort. We have here an array or variable n if n I k and j. So we have here the for loop statement, no? In the for loop statement we are reading the values of an array j minus 1 using for loop. While loop statement, we have here the comparison. In this portion we are performing sorting already, and then we close the body of our function insertion sort, and then main, it is the starting point of every C program in NI, and then we have here the title of a program, insertion sort in C, enter number of elements, whatever it is, it will be stored as an array. That's when here we are giving inputs of how many elements, calling the function insertion sort, and then display the sorted values here using for loop statement return 0, and then we close the main body of our function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my website. Let us run the program. Compile, run. Insertion sort in C, enter number of elements. Let's say we have 6, say negative 3, 56, 78, 1, 100, 463, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last number 90. So the sorted values will be negative 3, 1, 56, 78, 90, 463. Okay, so we have the right result. Another example, let's say we will sort 5 elements. Let's say 45, negative 67, 78, 12, and negative 456. So sorted values will be negative 56, negative 67, 12, 45, and 78. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on insertion sort in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.